Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the 6Pcs Pruning Shears Set, a comprehensive toolkit designed for all your gardening needs. This set includes heavy-duty pruning shears with SK5 coated blades, perfect for tackling thick branches up to 2 cm in diameter, and small pruning scissors with curved blades and a labor-saving spring for more delicate tasks. You'll also find straight gardening clippers ideal for trimming fruits, flowers, and vegetables, along with a folding hand saw featuring a 3-tooth SK5 sharp blade for cutting through trees, dry branches, bamboo, and even PVC pipes. To ensure comfort and safety, the pruning shears come with sponge wrap handles and safety locks, while the set also includes gardening gloves with coated palms and fingers to keep your hands clean and protected. Everything fits neatly into a convenient storage bag, making it easy to carry your tools wherever you go. Whether you're pruning, trimming, or picking, this versatile set is perfect for both outdoor gardens and indoor bonsai, offering practicality and ease for any gardening enthusiast. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.